Welcome, here I've got Realme 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use the CameraProMode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the Pro mode here, called also as an expert mode. So let's tap on this. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation. So by using this slider we can manage the light of the picture. By going to the right, as you can see, we can make our picture just more bright. And by going to the left, we can make it more dark. This is how it works. And at the center of the slider we have 0 and 0 parameters, so this is the auto exposure compensation. The next one button here is the focusing. Now it's autofocus. The AF letters are here. By using this slider we can change this to MF, so this is the short from the manual focus, and we can manually focusing like that easily. Of course, to go back to the auto settings there is no problem. We can do it by just simply tapping on this A letter icon here, so it goes back to the autofocus. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the white balance, so we can control the temperature of the picture in Kelvin degrees. By using this slider and going to the right, we can make our picture just more warm, and by going to the left we can make it more cold. As you can see, this is kind of balance between the blue and the orange light of the picture. Of course, to go back to auto white balance we have to just simply tap on this A letter icon here and it goes back to the auto settings. Now let's have a look to the next one button. Here we have the shutter speed, so we can manage the time of taking picture. By using this slider and going to the left we can make our time much shorter, from 1 8/1000 of seconds, so this is really short time. This should be better to objects, for example, that are in move, to frozen them. When we go to the right we can make it much longer, to the 32 seconds, so this is really long time of taking photo, and this should be better to objects that are stable. Of course, to go back to the auto shutter speed, let's just simply tapping on this A letter here. And now let's move to the last one button here, the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. As you can see, we can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right we can make it much more sensitive to 6 4/1000 of it, so this is really wide and pro spectrum. And to go back to the auto ISO, let's just simply tap on this A letter icon here again. Now let's move to these buttons here. This is the flash, so here we have the option that is also available in the standard photo mode. This button in the right corner is also available in the standard photo mode, so I'm not going to speak about all of this. In the Pro mode we have these 2 extra buttons. Let me start with RAW. By tapping on this we can turn on the RAW format, and by just another tap we can turn it off. So this is really pro option, because the RAW format is format used by professional photographers to save more details of the picture and post-producing them in graphic programs. So this is really cool that we have this. Let's turn it off now. And let's have a look at this button here. Here we can pick the lens of this camera. Now we are in the standard wide lens. We can change this to ultra wide lens. As you can see, this is how it looks like here. And now let me use the settings to take a picture. So for example, let's go to the ISO. Let me stay on this one, the shutter speed maybe shorter, white balance maybe a little bit warmer, and the focusing here, and maybe by using exposure compensation let's make it much brighter. And to see my picture, let's go here to this button. When we pick this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.